Okay, great. Hello everyone. Let me know if I'm audible to you or not. Just give me an. Could not see the chat till now. Okay. Hi. Okay. Great. Okay. No problem. So I guess now you are able to see everything. Cool. Let me know. Just am I audible now? I can. Great. Okay. Great. Cool. So what we are gonna discuss today. So I guess hello. Rahil, Kiran, Shreya, Shasha, Chabra, everyone. Hello, everyone. So I guess most of you might be knowing me. If you don't know, just to give you an overview about myself, my name is Himanshu Chan, and I've been working into crypto space from last 3 4 years. Worked with different companies as a digital marketing executive. Currently, I'm working with Wow Talkies as an community manager for them. It is again a participatory, basically a fan engagement platform that they're trying to build. So yeah, if you are a fan of any actor, director, or if you're really interested in enjoying a platform where you can make some tokens while writing the reviews, if you want to generate tokens by participating in some kind of gaming ecosystem things, I guess then you can definitely go and check what talkies, I guess. And because we are going to release it in next 2 or 3 months down the line, the full functional app. Currently we just only working on the few concept that we are trying to build. So that is what we are doing, but it will be mostly focused on the fang engagement thing. So if you like looking to have a check on platform which are working on a fan engagement thing, I guess in that case you can definitely check that out. Okay. This is a small overview about myself. Apart from that, I have been working on my own startup that is an again a NFT ecosystem that we are trying to build. The name of the product is Eternal Boats. It is an NFT product that we are trying to build. We are in the phase of funding, so we are like applying for different platforms to receive certain funds, and then we will be releasing few of the details about the websites and all those things. We have just redesigned the website and added few features on the platforms. You can have a look at it, and also let me know whether you like the NFTs that we have. So there are few NFTs that we have added on our website. I will happy to know your feedbacks on the NFTs that you are seeing on the website. Okay, so that is a small overview about myself, and now let's talk about what we are doing at Creator. So currently on Creator, I have been doing like a complete series on blockchains basics. We have almost completed around 6 to 7 episodes till now. We will be doing another 14 or 15 episodes from next week, but this week we are only going to talk about the market conditions, VC firms, what they are doing, and the Bitcoin fall, crash, and all those things we are talking this week. Yesterday we had a talk about the Bitcoin fall. We talked about what is the reason of the fall of the Bitcoin, how these big VC firms are manipulating the market, what was the situation around 4 years back, and what is the current situation of the crypto market. Hope you also know this, the difference that is there in the market as of now and what we used to have around 4 to 5 year back. Okay, so if you know the market, like when it was around 2013 and 14, we don't have a lot of VC firms in the market. Okay, but if you look at the current scenario, we have more than 500 to 1,000 VCs in the crypto market space. So see, I've been working this space. Okay, I've been working into the crypto space, and I keep on connecting with a lot of VCs. If I calculate the list, if you ask me to create a list of VC firms who are investing their money into the crypto market, I can surely give you a list of 1,000 plus investors that are there in the market in just crypto space. Like crypto space. And if you look for traditional investors, if you look for individual investor, strategic investors, you this list will grow up to 5,000 to 10,000 that are there. Okay, these big VC firms, they don't invest $1,000 or $5,000. They are those VC firms who are going to invest at least $50,000 to $100,000 in the market, which means they are putting the is a big chunk of money in the market. Okay, and these are the VC firms who are trying to build an ecosystems where they can make a lot of money, and then they are going to expand themselves into a big VC firm. That's what they are doing. Okay, so this is what is the current market conditions, which means that most of the product you are going to invest in will be the mostly backed by VCs. Okay, the big VC will be there. Okay, that is the current scenario of the crypto market. But there are certain fallback that these VC firms has because of this recent market fall. Okay, so today just we are going to talk about those falls that these big VC firms has faced in last 1 month. Okay, so there was one VC firm called 3 Arrow Capital. Okay, 3 Arrow Capital is one of the biggest VC firm that was there in the market from I guess that was there in the market from a very long period of time. Okay, so they were there in the market for a very long period of time, and they have invested a lot of money in different product. But because of this one Luna crash. Okay, so if you read this news says 3 Arrow Capital on the brink of insolvency after 400 million liquidations. Okay, so you won't believe that this particular company 3 Arrow Capital, they have invested around $400 million in Luna logged staking. Now there is a two types of investment that you do in the market. One is the flexible investment, second is a logged investment. Let me know if you know about this or not. How many of you know about this type of investment that are there in the market, flexible and logged kind of investment? If you don't know, I will try to explain it as well. If you know it, it will be good. Okay, so cool. Okay, so there are two types of investment that we have in the market. One is called flexible, second is called locked. Locked investment is mostly for those big VC firms or the people who are participating in the any company as a beginner. Let's say if I am the beginner, if I want to invest in a company, or if you want to be participate in the private investment rounds, if you want to participate in public investment rounds, in that case there will be a, a logged period for you. It can be a 6 month period, it can be the 1 year period, it can be the 3 months, 3 years period. Okay, so they have a logged in period, which means you will not get all your money in one shot. It will be given to you in different period of time. Okay, they will give you, let's say 25% on the day of release, then they give you 25% after 6 months, then 25% after 6 months. This is how they will release your token. So this is what logged staking is all about. Okay, this logged investment is also known as they have certain criteria. Okay, so there's something called vesting schedule. Okay, so this when you go to crypto market, we have different terminology. So this logged investment is also known as a vesting vesting investment, which means let's say you have invested $1,000. Okay, then that company will say that in $1,000 you are getting 10,000 tokens, but you will not get all the 10,000 tokens in one shot. How they will distribute it? They will say that this token distribution has a vesting schedule. This vesting schedule says that you have a 1 month of cliff period, and then your token will release. The cliff period is the period where you will not get your token released, which means let's say if the vesting schedule is let me show you in the website. I guess then it will give you fair idea vesting schedule का. तो मैं एक बार आपको दिखा भी देता हूँ. तो let me open some website. Let me open some launchpad. Okay, let me clone cool creo. Okay, so let me open this one. Okay, taken. Okay, see, so here they are saying, if you look at the token release term, they are saying there are TG 10% and linear unlock over 6 months. Okay, which means on the day of release they will give you 10% token. TG means on the day of release, which means when token will list on the exchange or on a decentralized exchange, they will give you 10% token that you will get on that particular date, and the remaining 80%, 90% token will be given to you over a 6 month time frame, which means every month you will get 22.3%, 22.5% token every month for over the next 6 months, and your 90% token will reach to you in that 6 month time frame. So this is what this token release term all about, which means 10% on the day of release and remaining 90% will be given over a 6 month period time. Okay, but if in the same token release term they have added something called cliff period, which means if it says let me redesign it for you. Let me open a notepad so that I give you. So let's say if I say that I will give you 10% token on TZ, which means on the day of listing, and then there will be a 1 month cliff period. Cliff period. Okay, and then you have 12 months of wasting, wasting schedule. Can be the linear, so it can be uh, linearly. Okay, which means every month you will get some tokens, which now this type of token release will say that 10% you will get on TZ. 1 month cliff period means for this particular month you will not get any token, which means 1 month you have to wait for your second drop, and from like after waiting for 1 month, from the next month you will be start getting token uh, linearly, and for the next 12 months you will be getting the remaining amount of token, which means your left token are around if I give a let me do a calculation for that. So let's say you are left with 90% of the token that need to be released over a period of 12 month. So which means let me do a calculation for that. So yeah, so every month you will get 7.5% token which will be released for you every month over a period of 12 months, which means total it will take 13 months for you to get your token back in your account. So if they have added something called cliff period, which means that particular month you will not get any token for on your wallet, which means you can't claim it for the particular month, and for after that cliff period is over you will start getting token again. So this is how logged investment work. Just let me know if you are able to understand this logged investment feature कि कैसे काम करता है, समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? Just let me know. अगर अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया तो I will try to explain it again, but just give me overview कि आगे समझ में आया कि नहीं आया आपको कि logged investment कैसे काम करता है. Okay, hello, am I audible or not? I guess I don't know because I don't see any chat. Is it any difficult? Okay, cool. Okay, got it. I guess there might be some problem with the app. Okay, no worries. So this is how the logged investment work, where you invest the money for a period of time. It will be logged for certain period of time, and then you can start. Then after your token will get released, so it will take certain period of time. Flexible investment means when flexible investment is like when you invest your money and you get your token at one shot, which means there will be no wasting schedule for you, which means you need not to wait for your token to release for it for 12 month or 13 months period, which means you will get your token on the day of release itself. That's called flexible staking. So these are the two types of staking that we have. Okay, this company called Three Arrow Capital, they have invested in Luna in the logged investments for over a period of for a 3 years time frame, and they have invested around $400 million, and their $400 million has converted, like uh, is now at the level of around $678, which means that 400 billion has liquidated and converted into $678 only, which means they've almost lost everything in this Luna crash. Okay, because of this massive crash they are in the verge of bankruptcy. Okay, this is the main reason why they are into the bankruptcy thing. Okay, so that is how the big VC firms are getting trouble because of these big crises that are happening in the ecosystem. Okay, and this crisis has given an overview to this ecosystem, to these big VC firms, that this market can be harmful for the retail investment, can also be a big problem for the retail investment. Okay. What time do you think is the right time to invest? See, currently, if you look at, I don't feel like it is the right time to invest. Okay, if you want to invest, you can invest. See, if you have joined my last stream, we talked about the same thing, that in the current market I will never go and bet for the long run. I only bet for a short term period of time. It can be like I mostly try to buy the Bitcoin or Ethereum between a range. If it is between that particular range, I will buy it, let's say 17,000 to 20,000, that is the range for Bitcoin. If it is between this range, I will be buying it. And if it is going above 21,000, I will not be buying it. So 70 to 20,000, that is my buy range. Above 20, I will not buy. Below 17, I will buy. If it goes below 17 and it will stay there for a period of time, so 7 I will buy below 17 as well. Okay, so 17-20 is a range where I am buying it. Okay, if it is going below 17, I will buy below 17 as well. So this is a range you can, so like you always try to build a range. Let's say there is a range of 17 to 21, so in that case you build a range, like कि इस range पे मैं buy करूंगा. Let's say कि 21 is the resistance level. Okay, don't buy above the resistance level, buy below the resistance level. That is what you need to look for. Okay, buy below the resistance level. 21 is the resistance, buy below resistance level, try to buy at those levels. Okay, that is the one thing that you need to look at. Secondly, you also look at that, let's say I have invested some money in the crypto market. You also need to look at that, how market is behaving at the point of time. Okay, and try keep and also keep booking profits at different levels. Okay, for next 2 to 3 months, it is going to be the same kind of movement in the market will rise to certain point and then it will fall again. That is what is going to happen in the market. Till September, we might be seeing the same kind of trend in the market. After September, we can see some bull run in the market. Okay, so till we don't see this big bull run in the market, you can start putting your money for a short period of time and keep booking profit. Or you can, if you are going to stay in this market for a longer period of time, let's say अगर आपको अगले 4-5 साल 10 साल वेट करना है, in that case you can do one SIP kind of investment you can do. So whenever the price, तो SIP अब ऑटोमेटिक SIP मत करके रखो, एक रेंज बना लो कि इस रेंज पे मुझे बाई करना है, जैसे कि 17,000 या 18,000 एक प्राइस पॉइंट बना लो, या 19,000, एक ही प्राइस पॉइंट पे ट्राई टू बाई एट दिस सेम प्राइस पॉइंट मल्टीपल टाइम्स. तो ये आपका एवरेज भी करता रहेगा, and you will also have enough number of Bitcoin in your pocket. And whenever a market will boom, whenever Bitcoin will go above 50K, you will make a lot of money in the market. Okay, that is what I'm also doing. Like I'm not putting all the money in one shot. I will be like, I'm betting at different price points. So I just selected these 3 price points are there, I will buy on those price point. मेरे हिसाब से जो what I use, I mostly look at the resistance. Let's say कि resistance 21,000 का है, तो 21,000 का 10 to 15% डाउन इज विल बी माई बाई प्राइस. तो 10 से 15% नीचे, 21,000 का 10 से 15% नीचे, दैट विल बी माई बाई प्राइस. Okay, so I will try to buy below the 21,000 with a discount of 10 to 15%, and then I will buy that particular cryptocurrency. In the case of Bitcoin, same goes with Ethereum, same goes with other cryptocurrencies. Okay, also make a list of 5 to 10 15 good token. Don't over diversify, just make a list of 5 to 10 good tokens, and on those 5 to 10 good tokens you can keep on buying alternately. कि आप कभी Ethereum buy कर लो, कभी Bitcoin buy कर लो, कभी Solana buy कर लो, कभी Polygon buy कर लो. This is how you can also keep on doing. Solana is again very Solana is again in a big problem. अगर आपने Solana पढ़ रहे हो, you will be knowing that Solana is again in big trouble, because recently Solana में the Solana uh, is having some trouble because of this their lending and borrowing product that they have called Solend. So because of that, they are having certain problems in the ecosystem. Yeah, Solana, I guess, Ethereum, I guess you can also look at it. Okay, yeah. So Ethereum, I guess you can buy it. Ethereum, you can buy it. The current levels are good levels to buy. Okay. So ये Ethereum आप देख सकते हो. Solana I'm not looking at as of now because Solana में there are certain problem which I see that are like little troubling, like troubling to me, because Solana is not a completely decentralized ecosystem. It's a semi decentralized ecosystem. Solana एक पूरा decentralized ecosystem नहीं है, semi decentralized ecosystem है, which means most of the Solana node are backed by the company only, which means Solana के जो ज्यादातर nodes है वो Solana खुद चला रहा है, which means it is like it is not a completely decentralized ecosystem, it is semi decentralized ecosystem, which is not good. Okay. Again, same Solana has Solana has a lot of network congestion issues. Last अगर आप 2 साल की बात करो, approximately 10 to 20 times Solana ecosystem got congested. Again, the very big problem. Then Solana का जो lending and borrowing protocol है, that is called Solend. There are a lot of money that is there, which can get liquidated any time. If that liquidation will happen, it is again a big trouble. Okay, so Solend जो lending and borrowing platform है Solana का, it is again in a big trouble. Okay, because that particular protocol is mainly manipulated by the big investors, big whales. Okay, तो big whales जो हैं उसमें बहुत बड़ा role play कर रहे हैं. That's again a very big problem for me. The price, even the price will rise. I am not going to buy it until, because that's I don't feel that much. Uh, I don't feel that much secure on Solana as of now. So I'm not going to buy it even if the price will rise. Yeah. Yeah, and once the problem is solved, once I feel like ये ठीक कर रहा है, yeah, or it is going well, I will definitely gonna buy it. But before that, I am mostly looking towards the cross chain ecosystems. So I'm looking at Cosmos. I feel very good about it. Cosmos. Even I'm looking at BNB, because BNB has like they are also going to upgrade themselves. Binance has renamed themselves as a new thing. So इससे पहले Binance Smart Chain था, BSC. Now they have named as something called Binance side chain, something like that. BCS, Binance chain side chain, something like BCS is a new name of Binance Smart Chain. So they are renaming by BSC into BCS. That is a new name for Binance Smart Chain. I guess they are coming with a new upgrade. So Binance is again a good protocol. Polygon, that's again a good one. Cosmos, Algorand. These ecosystems are very fantastic. Algorand, Flow, Phantom. These ecosystems are good. Also, I'm very looking at Sardium. So if you can go and look at, by the way, Sardium is giving 10 SHM token as an airdrop. So I guess you can all participate and get free tokens. So if you click on this claim 100 so SHM token, you can easily claim it. They will tell you how to claim this. You can claim this SHM token, 100 SHM token, that is free for everyone. So Sardium is a new ecosystem that I am looking at. It is like a layer one solution. Again, they are trying to do something which is better than other ecosystems. Okay. तो आप सोलाना सार्डियम चेक कर सकते हो, बैक्ड बाय वजीरेक्स फाउंडर. अगेन वजीरेक्स फाउंडर निश्चल सेट्टी, if you know him, he is the founder. The second person is Omar. I guess he's again an NASA scientist. I guess he has worked with NASA. The second co-founder which they have is Omar Sayed. Okay, so he was also the part of NASA and Yahoo. Okay, so they are trying to build an ecosystem that is. So we'll talk about Sardium in detail someday. तो हम सार्डियम पे बात कर लेंगे किसी दिन डिटेल में कि सार्डियम क्या कर रहा है. बट ओवरऑल आई एम लुकिंग एट सार्डियम. सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ वेरी बुलिश ऑन सार्डियम ecosystems, what they're trying to do, because it's more decentralized, and it is highly decentralized, and they are working on ecosystem called dynamic sarding. Again, this is a new upgraded version. Sarding क्या होता है वो भी हम बात करेंगे, बट वो लोग जो लेकर के आ रहे हैं वो डायनेमिक साल्डिंग का प्रोसेस है, which they are trying to implement, which will make this ecosystem more fast, scalable, and secure, because it is completely decentralized. So there are a lot of things that they are doing. I had a call with Sardium team last week. So I got to know few things that they are trying to do, and we are also trying to do a partnership with Sardium for us, our product as well. तो हम लोग Sardium के साथ tie up कर रहे हैं, because they are going to release few new products. So I know a lot of things about Sardium, and we'll talk about it in detail कि Sardium क्या क्या कर रहा है. ठीक है. Uh, Perspective, I guess BNB, I guess again BNB is a good thing. Okay, they are doing a lot of good things. Ecosystem wise, if you look at second fastest growing ecosystem blockchain के अंदर BNB का ही है. Second fastest growing ecosystem, most funded product, and again so there are certain see agar overall if I talk about BNB is scalable. BNB is fast, but BNB is not very secure. So that is a big problem that we have in BNB. So ये scalable है, fast है, but secure नहीं है. That is the big problem that we have, and that's why BNB is working on the same concept so that they can make it more secure. तो BNB जिस focus पे काम कर रहा है, उनका जो main goal है, that is to make BNB chain more secure, and that's why they have renamed the BNB at BCS, and they're trying to build an ecosystem that is more secure, scalable, and fast. So because that is what most blockchain are not able to do. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ब्लॉकचेन ट्रिलेमा, जहां पर तीनों चीजों को सॉल्व करना ब्लॉकचेन के अंदर वही एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था, जिसमें कि जो ब्लॉकचेन ट्रिलेमा होता है कि जो ब्लॉकचेन होनी चाहिए वो सिक्योर होनी चाहिए, वो ब्लॉकचेन जो होनी चाहिए वो फास्ट होनी चाहिए, ब्लॉकचेन स्केलेबल होनी चाहिए. मींस फास्ट, सिक्योर एंड स्केलेबल, दीज आर द थ्री terms that need to be there on blockchain. Okay, तो इसको बोलते हैं ना ब्लॉकचेन ट्रिलेमा. अगर आपको ये तीनों चीजें मिल जाएं, ठीक है, अगर ये तीनों चीजें सॉल्व कर पाओगे, इन दैट केस ब्लॉकचेन विल बिकम मोर सिक्योर. मतलब कि आपको इसको बोलते हैं ब्लॉकचेन, इसको जो इस ब्लॉकचेन ट्रिलेमा को जो नाम दिया था वो विटालिक ने दिया था कि हर ब्लॉकचेन के अंदर आप तीनों चीजों को एक साथ इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर सकते. मतलब आप ब्लॉकचेन को फास्ट नहीं, अगर फास्ट और सिक्योर बनाओगे तो स्केलेबल नहीं बनेगी, स्केलेबल और सिक्योर बनाओगे तो फास्ट नहीं होगी. जैसे इथेरियम, इथेरियम सिक्योर है, स्केलेबल है, लेकिन फास्ट नहीं है. ठीक है, तो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी केम अप विद अ न्यू आइडिया which can help. That's why we have layer 2 solutions. Layer 2 solution like Polygon is a layer 2 solution of Ethereum, which means it is fast, secure and scalable. It is a layer 2 solution, which means ये fast भी है, secure भी है और scalable भी है. तो that is what layer 2 solution is all about. हम इनके ऊपर बहुत डिटेल में बात करेंगे, बट एक ओवरव्यू मैं आपको देना चाहता था. आई गेस यू गॉट एन ओवरव्यू. सबको ओवरव्यू अभी आ गया ना? कुछ ऐसी चीज जो आपको समझ में नहीं, जस्ट लेट मी नो. टिल नाउ व्हाटएवर वी डिस्कस्ड समझ में आया? और आपको how you liked it till now, whatever we discussed, just tell me about it. Okay, okay, great, great. Thank you, thank you. Cool. So this is so in our main goal was yeah. So main goal why we are here today, just to tell you a basic overview what is happening in the blockchain ecosystems, how these VC firms are facing a lot of problems in current ecosystems. It is not only retail investors who are losing money. VC firms are also losing their money because of the recent crash. Which means, see, अगर आप में से किसी ने भी पैसा लगाया and if they are losing it, it doesn't mean कि आप ही केवल पैसा खो रहे हो. It is not you, it is also the big VC firms. Okay, so this is a time where you need not to be very much worried. और ऐसा भी नहीं कि पूरा पैसा लगाना है हमेशा. whenever you put your money, so I guess if you ask me literally that कि पैसा इन्वेस्टमेंट कैसे करना चाहिए, how to invest money in the crypto market और स्टॉक मार्केट कैसा, वो हमेशा ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपके पास में ज्यादा से ज्यादा पैसा हो, ताकि आपको कभी भी इफ यू नीड मनी यू कैन इजिली गेट इट. विच मीन्स फर्स्ट यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सिक्योर फॉर एटलीस्ट 3 to 6 month टाइम पीरियड. इवन इफ योर इन्वेस्टमेंट मनी गोज डाउन, इट विल नॉट कंसर्न यू मच. ओके, तो पहले आपको अपने आप को इतना सिक्योर कर लेना है. फॉर दैट यू नीड इमरजेंसी फंड, यू नीड for health. For health you can take any health insurance. Okay, or you can also take one SIP. So these three things will secure you for next 3 to 6 months. पहले आपको ये चीज कर लेनी है. उसके बाद में whatever you're putting money into stock market, crypto market, gold or anything, okay, पुट इट ओवर देयर. ओके, सो मोस्ट मेक श्योर कि आपका जो 3 से 6 महीने का जो टाइम पीरियड है उतना सिक्योरिटी आपके पास होना चाहिए. बिकॉज सी इन द करेंट सिचुएशन नोबडी नोज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन व्हेन. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई लाइक सिक्योरिटी इज मस्ट to which you need to look after before you put your money in the crypto market or stock market or any market. Okay, because I have seen a lot of problems with these new investors. Okay, they enter the market, Okay, they enter the market as a beginner, they put a lot of money, they put they start investing in stock market, crypto market, and then they lose money. Okay, and they don't keep anything in their for as an emergency fund. Okay, and that's when they will fall into the stress condition. उनको stress होने लगता है कि यार मेरा पैसा डूब गया, उनको they will fall into this debt crisis, उनको debt crisis बोलते हैं, debt trap हो जाता है लोगों को. By the way, how many of you have like how many of you are the students over here? कितने लोग students हैं यहाँ पर और कितने लोग are working professionals? So like also like can you also tell me like what are you doing as of now? कि if you are a working professional, what industry you are in? Okay, what industry you are like whether you're working as a web developer or marketing or anything. So it's like that, if you can tell that, that will be also good. It will give me an idea that what uh, what you are doing as of now. And also if you are in students, there are a lot of things that you will get from my side, because I will be doing few courses dedicated to the students, and also I am planning to start what we say start our career placement, career building things for the students who wanted to switch their career into the blockchain space, or who want to build their career into the blockchain space as a marketing investors or community managers, writers, or anything you want to do in the blockchain space. Or even if you're looking for an alternate source of income, or you are and also if you have faced any kind of debt crisis, or you have faced any financial problem in your life, I am there to help you, support you. So anyone who's a student and who's willing to switch his career into this space, or who is willing who is facing certain problem in their life, regarding the financial problems, I am there to solve this out. And also I will be tying up with different colleges, universities, and I will be starting ambassador level a program for the colleges, where we will be calling ambassadors. Okay, we will be calling ambassadors on the college levels, where you have to train your friends, colleagues, or you have to onboard them into the blockchain space. You have to tell them what blockchain space is all about, instead of telling them that instead they build the thing that it is a scam. You have to explain all those things to them, and for that we will train you, we will give you all the knowledge sharing, everything will be provided by ourselves, our side. And then you are good to go to train uh, friends, colleagues. That is what we are going to do. So that is the next thing that we are going to do. Okay, anyone who's interested, you can look at this website called Voyagers. It is an again not my product, it is a product of one of my friend. They are going to work on the same kind of concept. You can check the website. It is, they are trying to provide an ecosystem for the college students, so that they can become the ambassador at the college level, and then you can also go to college level, start training and teaching your students or something like that. They will be starting the program by next year, or by this year after July or August. So you can whenever it will start, I will update you. Or also I will be there as an I will be there as a mentor and trainer, so I will be there to help you and guide you. Okay, so you can have a look at it. And here on creator will keep on meeting every week. So every week we have four sessions. Okay, from Tuesday to Friday. So Tuesday to Friday we have four sessions that we do on creator. And on those four sessions we will talk about the crypto and blockchain space in detail. Okay, this week it is dedicated to the current market situations. Next week we'll again move to our the previous topic that we are going to do. So every day we have session scheduled from Tuesday to Friday, every day 4:30 the same time. Tuesday to Friday 4:30 to 5. Okay, So at the same time, I will be here with a new topic. Anything you want to ask, like if you want any new topic that you want to listen from me, or you want me to talk about, you can also post your suggestions, and based on your suggestions, I can create a new topic for you guys. It can be anything regarding career building. It can be regarding how to build your career in the web blockchain space, uh, how to generate passive income in the blockchain space, revolution in the blockchain space, NFTs, metaverse, anything you want to learn in the blockchain space, apart from development. Okay. So apart from development, because I don't know how to write code, so I can give you the theoretical knowledge, whatever you want. Currently, I'm learning coding, so I guess if everything goes well, I can also give you the development classes. I can also give you that, but it will take time because I'm in the phase of learning the development things. Okay, so once I am good with the development part, I can also give you the development things, say how to create tokens. But apart from that, marketing में आपको कुछ भी चाहिए होगी कि कैसे प्रोडक्ट रिलीज करना है, अगर आगे पास कोई अच्छा आइडिया है, if you have a good idea, I can also help you in finishing that idea and converting into the product, and which you can release in the market, and you can also raise funds and I can also help you in fundraising. So if you want to raise funds for a product, आपके पास कोई product idea, you want to raise funds about it, I can give you suggestions for those things as well. So those things can be provided by my side, but yeah, you need to work little harder from your side, and remaining thing, I guess I can help you with whatever I can. Okay, so that is what I can provide you. Also, I do have a YouTube channel, so that is the only request, that if you like the content, you can easily go and subscribe to the YouTube, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is like always, LinkedIn is the one place that you will find me posting content. Lot of content I post on LinkedIn, and that will be the one platform where you can always reach out to me. I will always try to answer all your doubts. Also, if anyone want to give any suggestions about any new topic that you want me to cover, drop your suggestions on my LinkedIn. Send me a message directly. I will create a topic on the particular theme, and I will talk about it as well. Okay, so किसी को भी कोई आइडिया है कि इस पर हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं, या इस वीक इस पर बात कर सकते हैं, या ये टॉपिक मेरे को समझना है, just drop your ideas, and I will definitely gonna look into it, and we'll create one class on those particular things. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone for joining in. Hope you liked the today's stream that we talked about, and we'll keep on meeting every week. Or also one thing to tell you that I'm also going to start one more series on fan engagement thing, on how to build. Basically, it will be powered by War Talkies. So War Talkies powered one series we are gonna do, where we'll talk about the product, about the fan engagement. We'll talk about each and everything what we are gonna do in the fan engagement space, and how metaverse, NFTs, everything. So gonna cover on those streams. Timings I will let you know, because timings might change. It can be by 5 or can be 3. Timings will differ, but whenever I will be doing it, I will post it on my LinkedIn, or I will post it on the this creator. I will schedule a session for that. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you Kusi. Thank you Savita. Thank you Shreya. Everyone. Thank you for joining in, and thank you for your comments, whatever you did. And I would love to hear your thoughts on the upcoming topics, or I would love to hear your any doubts which you have in your mind. And if you want to build your career out in this space, I am there to help you out. So anytime you can reach out to me, and just let me know what you want me to cover, or how you want, or if you want to get started in this space, any kind, like anything you want to do in this space, I will be there to help you out. Even if you are looking for a job, I will try to connect you with some good HR or product which are looking for like people to hire. Okay, so I can try to help you on those field as well. Okay, see you, thank you, bye bye, bye.